Hi guys, welcome back. If you guys remember, last year I installed oil pan heating pad, and right now inside the house it is showing me 19 degrees Celsius. Over here it's a bit colder, so it's showing me 13 degrees Celsius. Let's see how much is the temperature outside, and let's see if that oil pan heating pad is working. Check this right here. Minus 17, minus 20 because it says snow. Check the car right here. Minus 19 degrees Celsius. Oh no. Let me clean this snow from here, and then I'm gonna get under the car and show you the temperature if that heating pad is working. Okay, let's go under the car. I removed that snow and ice, and let's see if that oil pan heating pad is working the way it should. I left it plugged in for the past 2 days, so I have to remove that cover that covers the the oil pan. Oh, tight fit. So this is an 8mm bolt or screw. Let me this damn thing. Sorry for this damn bolt. Can get it done. Use 2 hands in a few seconds. It's a bit hard to do it with 1 hand. Good. So let's see what it shows right now. Minus 19. And let's see what it shows now. Whoa. Sorry. So you guys can see it is showing plus 12, or you can see, or 10.5 degrees Celsius. So 15 or 14 degrees Celsius. So it means that the heating pad is working, and it's keeping the engine oil warm, not boiling hot, but it's keeping it warm. So let me get it tested. So you guys can see right now it says minus 19 or whatever. Can't see properly because I'm not wearing my glasses now. Minus 14. It's fluctuating up and down. Minus 17. So let's see now. You guys can see these laser things, and it is showing how much. 13 degrees Celsius. So it means this bolt is a bit cold. It is 10 degrees, but the drain bolt is a bit cold, but overall the heating pad is keeping this thing at 13 or 14, between 10 and 15 degrees Celsius. So that means it's very good for your car. The block heater, they tend to leak if it's not installed properly, and the oil pan heating pad, it has 0 chances of leak. Worst case scenario, if it quits working, you guys won't know unless you guys check it. But it's very easy to remove and very easy to install, and there is literally, you guys don't need to remove anything. You guys do not need to even strip the paint. People usually strip paint, but I did not strip paint, and I installed it with silicone, and it's working fine. And it was cheap, probably like $10. Okay, now you guys know. So let me switch to Fahrenheit for those that don't understand Celsius. Let me see. Okay, so now we are in Fahrenheit territory. So let's see. Right now it is like 4 degrees Fahrenheit, something like that. 4 or 2 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's check it. Let me install the laser. You guys can see now it is like 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit when I hold that temperature gun straight towards the oil pan. So it is keeping the oil warm, which is very good. 46 degrees, 45, 46. And let's get out of under the car so you guys can see. Right now it is showing me 0 degrees Fahrenheit, which is in Celsius. Let me see. So this is in Celsius, it's minus 17 degrees Celsius. So with the oil pan heating pad, it is keeping the oil temperature at around 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. So I think I did not waste my time and money installing that heating pad. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching.